Welcome to my world. Having a family gathering this weekend? Well, I have 4 great ideas with canned, package, or leftover chicken that can be thrown together in minutes. Easy to do. It'll look like you slaved in your kitchen all day and put out a little fancy spread for your friends and family. Sure to please and impress. Check these out. We're going to go into my kitchen and I'm going to show you what I've come up with from going through Google and Pinterest for these awesome chicken ideas that can be used with leftovers you already have in your refrigerator and everything that you have within your pantry. When we get to 1,400, we're going to issue out 2 $10 Dollar Tree gift cards. We are looking for 11 people to give out 1 5 items price pack. The rules are you have to be subscribed, you have to be a U.S. resident. If you're new, please let me know you're new anywhere in the comments in any of the videos. If you won in the past 60 days, you're not qualified. And if you don't answer me within 2 business days, you will be disqualified and another name will be chosen. Those are the rules. All the rules and information are listed in all my description box down below. Here, 1 package of chicken, and this is the package chunk chicken breast. It is 10 ounces, and we're going to make a cheesy chicken ranch dip. I'm going to add in about 1/4 cup of onion, already pre-cut, about 1/4 cup to 1 cup of cheese. I'm using mozzarella. You can use any cheese that you like. I'm going to add in some garlic. A couple of teaspoons. A couple of teaspoons of black pepper. And I have some ranch by Kraft. You can take your Kraft dressing and squeeze in a couple of tablespoons. Then you're going to mix it well. Your spoon. And this will be delicious on a wrap or just as a dip. Keep mixing until all the ranch is blended well. Dish number 2, if you're in the mood for tacos and have leftover refried beans, take your packaged or canned chicken and you're going to add in about 1/4 cup of beans to 1/2 cup and a quarter cup of onions, about 1 tablespoon of Mexican seasoning as well. Food for tacos, and you have leftover refried beans. Grab your packaged or canned chicken, add in about 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of your refried beans, about 1 tablespoon of your taco seasoning, pepper and garlic to taste, and 1/4 cup of onions. And I'm going to show you how to make great taco. In about 1/4 cup. Beans are a great substitute for beef. And about 1/4 cup of onion. Teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Couple teaspoons of garlic. Seasoning, about 1 tablespoon. Mix it up well with all the ingredients, and then we'll stuff a couple of hard tacos. On over, Taco Bell. Here is a great way to make tacos quick and easy with no stove required. The same chicken mixture for the tacos, we're going to make a Mexican pizza with a tortilla shell. Some onions on it. And then you're going to fill the beef around to the rim and top it with cheese. Taking your leftover chicken and bean mixture, and you're going to pop this into the microwave until the cheese is melted. Take your cheese topping. And then top it with cheese. Here's the Mexican pizza. Use your pizza cutter, cut it. If you wanted to, you can add in canned diced tomatoes. That would be absolutely delicious. I'm going to take this leftover rice, add about a quarter cup in here with that leftover onion and chicken, and we're going to make a delicious wrap. I'm going to take the rice, just about a quarter cup, nothing fancy. Dump in some cheese. And if you want, you can season it a little more, some pepper and garlic. I'm not going to season enough. I'm going to mix it all up to make a couple of delicious burritos. All you do is add in a couple of spoonfuls, and you're going to roll and pinch. Some amounts on here, and then you just roll and you pinch. And you can pop them into the microwave for about 30-40 seconds to heat them if you wish, or eat them as is. Chicken bean burritos. Instead, cheesy chicken and ranch, a perfect dip for any kind of party or function this summer. Here are the chicken bean burritos, Mexican pizza, and the chicken tacos. All delicious. And if you don't have any homemade refried beans, you can use canned, and they're very easy to do with Goya beans. The dip looks like in a dish with crackers.